Hey everyone, welcome back to Workshop and Home. Today I'm going to show you how to remove spray paint from glass. I have 6 of these windows in my shop door that are painted, and don't ask me how that happened because I'm not going to tell you. So I've got here some acetone, some shop towels, and some razor blades. The first thing I'm going to do is soak this paint in acetone, and I'm just going to actually put it directly onto the paint and then spread it around. And then what I'll do is just let that sit for a few minutes. Now what I'll do is I'll take a couple of these towels and put them right on top here. And then I'm going to soak those towels down. Press these down and they'll stick to the glass there. And then we'll let that sit for a couple of minutes. Okay, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes here. So let's see what we got. Yeah, and you can see that paint starting to peel there. And by the way, you don't want to do this on any surface you care about, so I wouldn't do it on the dining room table or anything. Hey, now would be a great time to like and subscribe. I'll just grab our razor blade and it should peel right up. You can see the edges didn't get as much acetone on them, so after I get this scraped, then I'll add some more to those sections. And you can tell the difference. Where the acetone was and where it penetrated is a lot easier to peel than where it did not. So I'll just take my soaked rags again, set those on the areas that didn't penetrate as well. And let that set for a couple minutes and then come back and scrape those. Okay, I've had that on there for a couple minutes. And here's a handy tip for you. If you don't have a scraping style razor blade, just put a vice grip on it. go. Get most of that off. And then I'll just take this rag again, or one of these rags again, and just wipe the rest of it. Okay, so that looks like it's got all the paint off of it. And I just want to take a clean rag and clean the window. I'm using this Sprayway glass cleaner. This stuff's pretty good. All the stuff I used here today, I'll try to find a link and I'll throw it down in the description for you. And while I'm doing this, I might as well clean the other side of the window too. I'm not sure what's on that side. That's the outside part of the window, so who knows. There is the glass with spray paint removed, and easy as that. Now I just got 5 more of them to do. Well, that's it for this episode of Workshop and Home. I hope it was helpful and informational, at least entertaining. Well, that's it for today. I hope you...